Hi, my two students today are Jared and Logan, and they're going to be third graders in an English class. I have them, we just finished watching a read along or read aloud of Ralph Tells a Story.
Mm-hmm.
And Logan, can you just basically quickly explain what happened in the story?
Yeah, Ralph had trouble thinking of stories to write, and his friend Daisy taught him that stories could be just
About
made
anything, right?
from little things.
Good. Thank you for that answer. So today we will actually learn how to write narratives and how to come up with ideas for our narratives. Can you guys share, Jared, why don't you share something that means a lot to you?
Graduating college.
Okay. Logan, what about you?
Moving out to Arizona.
And why is that important to you, Logan?
Change of lifestyle.
Why is graduating college important to you? Jared?
Getting a degree and getting a better job and starting, to be independent and go on your own.
Good, I like those answers. So I'm glad that you guys have come up with some things that matter to you. And we're going to continue to think about things that are important to us, like how we just did with Ralph's tells a story. So you guys have papers and writing utensils in front of you.
Yes.
We are going to do a graphic organizer, and it is called The Heart of My Writing. I'm going to show you guys some examples of what it looks like and explain to you. So let me show you, let me pull pictures. So these are examples. You see, you draw a heart, and you kind of
Draw a heart.
draw a heart, and you segment off. You cut off like certain areas, and basically in these areas, you're gonna write things that are important to you, like your family, your friends, your hobbies, and if you're talking about like a certain family member, like your mom or your dad, you draw your mom or your dad, or you could just say family in general. And
One's bigger than the other.
Yeah, and then like this person, they really like water parks, so they drew a water park. So I want you to just put whatever means a lot to you in these things, whatever's important. You guys can start drawing. Do you have any questions about this activity?
Nope.
No. Okay, and you guys can use colors too.
So something we love. Okay. So
This graphic organizer will help us when you're looking for an idea, because we can write about any of these things that we're gonna put in our hearts right now. And then the sample of the heart of my writings that I showed them are the ones that are on the graphic organizer handout. And just gave those some examples. You guys can draw pictures too to describe it.
We could barely draw a heart.
If we remember in the book, Ralph struggled to come up with ideas about himself, and like this activity, we're writing ideas about ourselves, things that are important to us, and so we could write about any of these topics. And don't forget, you could use the highlighters and coloring markers too if you want to. Oh, and then on the top of your papers, can you write out the heart of my writing? This will be our graphic organizer that we reference in the future, so when you guys look at it in your folders, I want you to be able to pull it out and easily grab it. So if this was my real third grade English class, I'd obviously have them spend about a whole class day on this, I think, explaining it, going over the book and everything like that. And I'd have the assignment or the graphic organizer be something where they have to put more detail into it. Like the ones online that are very detailed and colorful, would be assignment like that where they could be super colorful and super creative with their hearts. More than the guys are right now. You guys done? Or no?
Sure.
Okay, so Jared, I'm gonna show the camera your heart. This is Jared's. Jared, can you explain the things that are in your heart and why they're there?
So obviously I said family, that's an important one because close with my family, school. Like I said before, I think obviously it's important to finish school and get a college degree. To work, you know, it's important to get, you know, yourself out there and get a job and make money and free time. If I'm not free time, I even sit in here working out, friends. I put down career that also bounces back on work and school. Chores, do a lot of chores. Said eating healthy, and then I said diet plan, and then I said working out again. So pretty much what I have down there.
Good. So we'll continue to talk about writing narratives with our next few class days. But if you were to write, if I said to write a paper right now on one of these topics, which did you think you would be able to do it on?
Probably family.
Family. Okay. Good. Glad we were able to pull from that. Logan, can you show the camera yours and then explain it?
I got pretty similar answers to Jared. I put family. I put down college as well. I put down that I like baseball and football. Put down work as well.
I see you have sports.
Yeah.
Is that just
baseball.
in general?
The sports in general, and baseball, football. I like those more than
Can I
other
take
sports.
a look at it? Okay. A lot of your work kind of coincides with your family in Ohio and Arizona. That's where your family's at. Alright, so if you were to write a paper right now, which do you think you would have the most fun writing about?
Probably family or sports.
Okay. So see, there's different ways that we can come up with ideas for writing. This is just one of the very many graphic organizers we could use. And as you can see, there's different things we can write about. We can write about fun things, sad things, things that we care about. So many different ideas when it comes to writing narratives that can help us. So thank you for being my students today.
Thank you.